basically this brake disc, the braking area has been damaged by the brake pad wearing right down to the metal. The friction material is worn down to nothing, so you're just left with bare metal on bare metal, and that's what's created this score mark. Okay, moving across to this one. This one should be smooth all the way across, but the corroded areas are probably due to, as daft as it sounds, lack of braking or light braking over a long period of time, or even where the vehicle's left stationary. Corrosion can build up. Brake pads can normally wear this corrosion away, but it's not always successful. You can see the brake pad there is worn to the contour of the worn brake disc as well. So that basically deems both of them unserviceable.
Okay.